Siemens presents the new Gas Cooktops with step flame technology for stepless creativity. High-end materials arranged in a flat design, combining beauty and functionality in every detail, from the pan supports to the newly designed control knobs. And for more precision, step flame technology. The groundbreaking innovation to precisely control the power of your cooktop. With 9 precise steps for cooking on a higher level. Whether you are cooking, stewing, roasting or frying, step flame technology allows you to prepare every meal exactly as you want. The dual wok burner offers many possibilities for perfect wok cooking. With its enlarged performance spectrum, you always get your desired results, from parboiling at the highest level, to cooking with a medium or small flame, to simmering on an even smaller flame. The new Siemens Gas Cooktops. Outstanding design and enhanced performance under your control with step flame technology. For a life less ordinary.
Siemens, the future moving in.
At GE Appliances, we know that preparing big meals can be a bit of a balancing act. That's why we created gas cooktops with a large continuous cooking surface that extends all the way to the edges. Now you have more room for large cookware, and you can easily slide pots and pans from one burner to another without lifting, giving you extra room to prepare all your favorite meals. Another way we make good things for life.
Today we are looking at the world's best gas cooktop. This is Franke's professional range of gas cooktops, and the great thing is they are made right here in Australia. So let's highlight some of the features of our gas cooktop range. Our gas cooktops perform at an ultra simmer 0.5 megajoules to a high intensity 22 megajoules. This is great as it ensures when your food hits your wok, it sizzles rather than stews. Looking at our high intensity, you'll also notice the cylindrical holes around the outside. The real advantage of this is giving you that solid finger flame effect that Franke Pro cooktops are famous for. The trivet system that we use is 40% larger than most others on the market, making sure you can have a generous sized pot or wok with no overhang. The cast iron trivets have a smooth finish and a durable enamel coating which allows for easy cleaning, also making them dishwasher safe. The knobs that we use are a solid laser finished stainless steel knob. The finishes that we use are a stainless steel 304 grade Scotch Brite finish, or black ceramic glass in most models. Not to mention the 5-year parts and labour warranty you receive with all Franke Pro gas products.